Hi, my name is Annalise Grimmer, and my presentation is on Visme. Visme helps you create presentations that are highly engaging and make a huge impact on the audience it is being presented to. You can not only create presentations, but also infographics, documents, printables, social graphics, web graphics, ebooks, and reports. Some pros of Visme include that it is very simple to use. There's a variety of different images, graphics, and fonts and templates to use. You can create appealing visuals very easily, and there is audio recording available. Some cons include that the logo is on your presentation that you make, and which I think is the biggest con, is that you only get 3 free presentations and then you have to upgrade, and that means you have to pay, which can be costly. Visme offers a lot more to users compared to PowerPoint in my opinion. Visme is simpler and easier to use than PowerPoint since you can see all the features right when you choose what you want to create. In PowerPoint, it doesn't seem to be as straightforward. While Visme has at least 100 different templates and themes to choose from, PowerPoint has a very limited selection. Overall, the entire look of the presentation you create in Visme seems to look more appealing than it does in PowerPoint. I have never used Visme before, and I've actually never heard of it before this assignment. I don't think I would use it for presentations just because I'm already familiar with software such as Canva, and I've made many presentations with it that I really like. Also, I do not like how you only get 3 free presentations, while in other software you don't have to pay no matter the number of presentations you create. If Visme allowed an unlimited amount of presentations for free, then I would consider using it for projects.